What's up, everybody? Today I want to tell you about this new extension I found that's very useful, especially if you're like a programmer or a coder. Check this out. Look at this bright white background right here. Some of you may like this, and it's great during daytime, but what about nighttime when you're like almost going to sleep, or maybe your significant other's in bed with you? What about if you could have a black background to kind of dim this out, kind of like it does when you code, right? That kind of like contrast you get when you're a coder. Well, look at this. Look how ugly and bright this is, you know? It's late at night. How about this Python documentation that's like really tedious and bright and strains your eyes to read, especially at night when it's dark? What if you had, an extension to be able to make this black the same as when you're, in a coding console or app? Look at that. It looks so much better, right? Now you can like have your web pages look like this, which is easier on your eyes and easier to read. And it works across the entire Google Chrome. What about this? What about this page? Look how it looks now. Easier to read, right? So much better. And so it kind of gives you that look and feel when you code. And this is in a web page. It's the same for Google Chrome and Firefox. Let me show you how to get it. First thing you want to do is you want to go here to these three dots and click on More and go to Extensions. You want to type in Dark Reader. As you can see, I already have it, but you don't. You should get it though. Type Enter and then go ahead and install that guy right there. It's really good, even if you're trying to search Google Chrome. Like let's say you're on google.com, right? And let's say, for instance, maybe you want to find that PS5 that you can't find, right? Now you can click on these links and they're easier to look through. You won't be able to find it anywhere because it's sold out everywhere. But look, you can scroll through a black background web page, right? That's so much better. So yeah, man, check that out. I think you really enjoy it. Peace.